Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple and effective Excel attendance tracker in 2026. So if you want to easily monitor attendance for your team, class, or project, this step-by-step guide will make it quick and organized. First, open Microsoft Excel and start with a blank workbook. Yeah, starting fresh gives you full control over how your tracker looks and functions. Next, in the first row, type your headers. For example, date, employee name, status, and notes. I mean, these are the key fields to track attendance effectively. Now select the header row and make it bold. You can also add a fill color and adjust column widths, so everything looks neat and easy to read. To make tracking consistent, add a drop-down for the status column. Go to Data, select Data Validation, and enter options like present, absent, and late. Next, format the date column as a proper date, and maybe centerline the status column. Yeah, this makes the tracker easier to scan at a glance. Now select your entire data range and format it as a table. I mean, this allows easy sorting, filtering, and expansion as more entries are added. Finally, create a small summary using the COUNTIF function to calculate total present, absent, and late days. This gives you a quick overview of attendance trends, and that's it. You now have a fully functional Excel attendance tracker. Yeah, just update it daily, and you'll have a clear record of attendance. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. Hey everyone!